What is good, YouTube? It is Mick from Mick Focus Photography. It's an early Sunday morning. It's about 7 a.m. It is currently 11 degrees Celsius and I'm making my way down to the all Japanese Cars and Coffee. Again, down at Kitchen 8 in Crockford Street. Today, I've got Canon EOS RP. I've got the KNF adapter on there and I've got a nifty 50. So I'm keen to have a play with that and see what we can get today. Let's go and check it out, see what's there. Hopefully some good stuff. So that's another all Japanese Cars and Coffee done for another month. It was a great turnout. There were some new cars, got to see some old friends that I haven't seen for a hot minute, scored some great coffee. Thank you, Kitchen 8. So we will see you next month. Thank you. Bye-bye. Peace.